Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change an Audi Q5 key battery. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Having a clean, well-lit area will make the process much smoother. This simple task usually takes less than 5 minutes, so let's get started and restore full functionality to your key fob quickly and easily. Now, let's open the key fob. Begin by finding the small release button on the side of your Audi Q5 key. Press this button firmly and then slide out the emergency key blade. Next, carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into the narrow slot where the key blade was. With a gentle twist, you can carefully pry apart the two halves of the key fob, revealing the battery compartment inside. With the key fob open, it's time to replace the battery. Gently remove the old, depleted CR2032 battery from its slot. Pay close attention to its orientation. Typically, the positive side faces upwards. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing up. Make sure it's seated snugly and securely. Finally, let's reassemble and test your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the fob and gently press them together until you hear a satisfying click. Then, slide the emergency key blade back into its designated slot until it locks firmly in place. Now, head to your Audi Q5 and test the key fob's functionality. Confirm that all buttons work correctly and you're all set with a fully functional key.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.